Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a trusted app that supports live output to the lock screen. I recommend one from a reputable source. Once chosen, make sure Windows is updated and you have administrator rights so the app can change system-level settings. Install the software and run it as administrator immediately after setup. This lets the program register itself to control lock screen assets. Doing this now prevents permission errors later and speeds the following configuration steps. Open the app and import or pick the live wallpaper you want to appear on the lock screen. You can preview it first. Then enable the specific setting labeled lock screen, system screens, or similar, and accept prompts to grant the app permission to change Windows lock screen assets. This is why you needed admin rights. After enabling, tune performance settings like frame rate and quality so the animation runs smoothly without draining resources, and pick which monitor or display profile to use. Apply the changes in the app and lock your PC to verify the live wallpaper appears on the lock screen. This confirms everything is wired correctly. If it does not show, reopen the app, re-grant any required permissions, set the app to run at startup, and test again. Many failures are permission or startup timing issues. If problems persist, check antivirus or group policy for blocks, and temporarily revert to the default lock screen while you diagnose to avoid system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.